We're about to go into the new year, so I know y'all need some new fits, new wardrobe. Hey y'all, welcome back to Taylor GTV. If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing, period. Yo, so today will be a Shein chill type loungewear haul. We're about to go into the new year, so I know y'all need some new fits, new wardrobes. So this haul is gonna be cute, sexy, comfortable, and all that, because I don't like to be tight, I don't like to be uncomfortable or anything like that. This haul is giving very much airport outfits, very much running errands, cute and chill while running errands and all that, y'all, I promise. Okay, so before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because these videos are coming back to back. If y'all aren't following me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, all my social media accounts will be linked down below. Yo, and this hair is a 26-inch deep wave closure wig provided by Purple Label Hair. It's very soft, very full, and I love it. So if y'all want a full review, just comment down below. I want to start doing hair reviews and all that, and give y'all the tea on my hair. So all the hair companies, Unique's Hair, Alley Pearl, West Kiss, it's all y'all. Hit me up. The booking link is in the description box. Period. Period. So y'all, this is outfit number 1. It's a black 2-piece mesh long sleeve set. I got this in a size extra small, size 2. And it fits nice and right. You know, it hugs the little curves I do have. I like this one. This is probably one of my favorite out of all of them, because it's cropped, and in the back, I don't know if y'all can see because of my hair, but it has a hoodie, so I could just put it on like this. Period. Hold on, y'all, gotta get my hair together. But it's a hoodie set, and I love it. Period. But I love it. It's super duper cute. I believe they had this in different colors. I'm not 100% sure, but you can never go wrong with black clothing, like, at all. I love black. That's like my go-to. I do suggest y'all wear black undergarments with this, because it is see-through. Like, I'm a person that don't like to wear bras, but it was a must to wear bras with it. Without it, y'all would see literally everything. Okay, but it's really cute, comfortable. I can move in it, I can shake my booty in it. But it's really cute. I do suggest going up a size, even though I range from an extra small to a small. This does have like a tighter fit than I would prefer, but we're gonna make it do what it do, and that's just that. But yeah, I would suggest going up a size. But other than that, it's cute, comfy. I can slip on some G-Nikes, some Uggs, some Vans, literally anything with this, and it just go. This is outfit number 2. This is similar to the last one, but it doesn't have a hood, and it's pink. Y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know pink is like my favorite color. Like, if it's pink, 9 times out of 10, no, like really 10 times out of 10 I'm ruining it. I'm gonna get it because it's pink, but this is a 10 out of 10 recommend. I got this one in a size small because I read the reviews and it said it ran small, but I just had to get this one. But everything was in a size small on this. This set did come in white, I believe, but I got it in pink. As y'all can see, it's really cute. I can move in it, you can run in it, twerk in it, all that. But I really recommend this set. This is probably my favorite, honestly, my favorite. I can't wait to wear this, and it's gonna be a look, y'all, I promise. But it's cute. So this is the next set. Look, the next fit. Okay, I love this. I know y'all tired of me saying, y'all, she loves every one of the looks, but people don't really wear skirt sets like that. But this stood out to me. Of course, it's in the color burgundy or maroon, whatever you want to call it. I believe this is in an extra small, so it does run kind of big, but it gives you that sporty, sexy, chill type look and vibe, which I love. The skirt is not too short, but whatever. Keep in mind, this is a cropped hoodie, so it is kind of cropped, but I love this. Like, it's comfortable. You could throw on some Pumas with this, even some Uggs, like some running shoes, some tennis shoes, some Vans, anything, and you could make it a look. But I love this like so much. It's very comfortable. Y'all know every fit, y'all gotta see if y'all can twerk in it, but I can move. I could dance in it, but it's twerk approved, is shaking approved, is TikTok dance approved, and everything. I highly suggest this one for real. Alright, y'all, so this is the next fit, but let's get into it. I love this detail on this sweater, the shoelace type detail. If you're more conservative, you can wear it like this, but if you're more edgy, you can, you know, separate it, you know, some whatever. I can't get it how I want to get it right now, but you know, you can play with the strings, and you can make the top as open or as close as you want to. Let's get into that, period. Okay, so y'all, I had to buy the leggings separate from the top, but I'm gonna get into both. Okay, so I don't know if y'all remember or seen the lace type set like this, but it was in black and gray, and I wanted it so bad, and I could not find it anywhere. Like, everybody had it on, but I couldn't find it. So when I seen this on Shein, however y'all pronounce it, I had to get it. That's number one. So this sweater, like I said, I love how it's two-tone. Like, it's nude on this side and it's brown on this side. It's made to be cropped, but since it's cold outside, I wanted it to be more of a bigger slash looser fit. So I did get this in a small. That's number one. Number two, these leggings, number one, are comfortable, but they're the wrong shade of brown than what I was hoping for. So I'm gonna have to go get a darker pair of brown leggings, or I can do cream or nude or whatever. But this is really cute, y'all. Like, I love this so much. Like, this little set is simple, cute, versatile, and different. So Shein did a number with this, so I love it. I love it so much. And like I said, but these leggings make me look like I got a little booty or whatever. So I would definitely get this type of brand in like black, possibly black, and no other color, but black most definitely. But it's everything. It hugs my thighs, makes my booty look a little big or whatever like that. But it's cute and I love it. And both of these pieces, the leggings and the sweater, are in smalls. Strictly smalls. Nothing more, nothing less. Smalls. This is sadly my last two-piece set. If y'all are subscribed to Taylor GTV, y'all seen this set before. I wore this in my Miami girls trip vlog and a day in my life as a rich auntie. If y'all haven't watched them videos after this haul, those links will be in the description box below, and y'all gotta watch it because see, this set gives what it's supposed to give. This set be giving. This set gives body, sexy, comfortable, all that. This set is everything. Get into this set. Alright, this set I believe is an extra small or small, I can't remember, but the correct sizing will be in the description box. I love this set so much. If you know, you know. It's so cute, comfortable, sexy. I love the tan color. I love the tan color. Ignore this part because y'all probably like, Taylor, what's going on? But it's a whole lot of going on with this string, and I'm gonna have to fix it, but ignore that. Let's focus on the set and not the little malfunction going on right here. Okay? But it's comfortable, sexy, comfortable. But like I said, it's comfortable. Y'all know I gotta check if it's twerk approvable or I can dance in it. Cause that I could do. Boom, boom, boom. But this set gives, y'all. Like, I love it. I love it so much. If y'all got this far in the video, I just want to tell y'all I love y'all and I appreciate y'all and y'all real, period. Okay? So that was the end of the haul. This haul was not sponsored by Shein. I definitely used my own coins to make these purchases. So Shein, y'all gotta email me so we can collab, so I can continue on shopping with y'all, okay? But all of these pieces were everything, like I said in the intro, they were everything comfortable, sexy, chill, you know, and every look was just giving what it was supposed to be, then gave, okay? It was just everything. But if y'all are not subscribed to Taylor GTV, then what y'all doing? Because if y'all ain't watching Taylor GTV, then what y'all doing? Y'all better like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated on all the further videos, because it's about to be 2022 in like less than 2 weeks, y'all, and it's at this point it's all gas, no brakes. I'm coming with it, I promise. But yeah, like I said, if y'all aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Comment down below which was y'all's favorite look and what y'all are looking forward to in the new year. Also, don't forget to follow all my social media accounts down below. Bye.